Today we'll show how we cut an end cap, also known as a return, on quarter round moldings. Notice the end of the quarter round meets the end of the baseboard. As I mentioned earlier, this is where we need to do what's called a return on the quarter round trim so it just doesn't end flat. It looks kind of awkward. This is one of those rare times when installing moldings you may get to the edge of the wall and not want to continue wrapping it around the corner. In this case, it's because we have a different baseboard. After a half a dozen times, I finally figured out how to do this. Let's go to the miter saw and we'll do an example. So we will make a 45-degree outside cut at the end of the piece to be capped, and then cut another small piece at 45 degrees with a 90-degree at the other end, as if you were making an inside corner cut. Then the end of the piece will be capped off nicely at the end of the wall. Here we go. We start with setting up the miter to 45 degree to the right. Then with a 90-degree end, you place it in front of the 45 to be capped. And here is where we'll be clear which way to cut the cap. It can be a little confusing for us that don't practice this often like the pros. So take a pen or pencil and mark which way your cut will be. Not measuring, but just the direction of the cut. Then aim the blade off the corner carefully and hold it in place. Then cut and go chase the flying cap. Seriously, wear glasses when cutting with anything, because these little pieces especially, they could go flying. But here it is. If needed, just sand the edges to get a better fit. Once it's caulked and painted, it will look like a factory mold. Now all we do is put a small amount of glue and carefully nail it. If it's a small piece, use wood glue to secure it to avoid breaking the piece with brad nails. And here's the other side of the closet opening. And this completes the installation. For information on tools and material used in this video, see the links in the description. Have a great day.